Today, we're diving into how you can turn any piece of text into a barcode right within your Chrome browser. Let's get started. First, let's find the right tool for the job. Open up your Chrome browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type in Free Barcode Generator. You'll see a list of extensions pop up. Look for the one with blue icon and click on it. I've also placed the link in the video description. Click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension in the pop-up window. Wait for a moment and voila, it's installed. Now, let's put it to use. Navigate to any web page where you want to generate a barcode. This could be a product page, a URL, or any piece of text you need. In this video, I'm going to use Amazon product page. Select the text or URL you'd like to convert into a barcode. Right-click the selection, and you should see an option in the context menu that says something like Generate Barcode. A neat feature of this extension is the ability to choose the type of barcode you need. Whether it's a QR code, UPC, or any other format, select the one that fits your requirements. And just like that, you have your barcode. You can download it, copy it, or directly print it from here. It's that simple. You now have the power to generate barcodes from anywhere on the web, anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials. Drop a comment below if there's another tutorial you'd love to see. Thanks for watching.